The following is a review of Problem 7.6, Parts A and B for exam number 2 for HS 345 Healthcare Finance. Problem 7.6 states, assume that a primary care physician practice performs only physical examinations. However, there are 3 levels of examination, 1, 2, and 3, that vary in depth and complexity. An RVU analysis indicates that a Level 1 examination requires 10 RVUs, a Level 2 exam 20 RVUs, and a Level 3 exam 30 RVUs. The total costs to run the practice, including a diagnostic laboratory, amount to $500,000 annually, and the number of examinations administered annually are 2,400 Level 1, 800 Level 2, and 400 Level 3. Part A asks, using RVU methodology, what is the estimated cost per type of examination? First, we need to find the total number of annual RVUs. So we do this by multiplying the number of RVUs required per exam type by the number of exams administered annually per exam type. So Level 1, we multiply 10 times 2,400. Level 2, 20 times 800. And Level 3, 30 times 400. And we end up with 24,000 RVUs for Level 1, 16,000 RVUs for Level 2, and 12,000 RVUs for Level 3. And then adding those together, we end up with a total RVUs annually of 52,000. To figure the cost per RVU, we need to divide the annual costs, which we're told are $500,000, by the total RVUs annually, which we figured was 52,000, and that gives us 9.6154. Now we're going to take that figure and multiply it by the required RVUs for each exam. So for Level 1, we multiply 10 RVUs by the 9.6154, and that will give us $96.15. For the Level 2 exam, we multiply the 20 RVUs by 9.6154, and that gives us $192.31. And for Level 3, we multiply 30 RVUs by 9.6154 to give us $288.46. And these are the estimated costs per type of examination. If we wanted to check our calculations, we could do that by multiplying the estimated cost per type of examination by the number of examinations administered annually per exam. And we would find that for exam 1, when we multiply the 9615 by 2,400 RVUs, we get 230,760. For exam 2, we take the 192.31 and multiply that by the 800 RVUs. That gives us 153,848, and exam 3, the 288.46 multiplied by 400 RVUs gives us 115,384, and we add those together, we get 499,992, which then we round up to 500,000, and we find that our calculations are accurate. Okay, moving on to Part B, it asks, if the goal of the practice is to earn a 20% profit margin on each examination, how should the examination be priced? So this part took a little extra thinking, but another way to figure what the markup percentage would be in order to earn a 20% profit margin, we could say for every $100 we want to earn $20. So the $80 cost has to be marked up to $100, which is what percentage? Well, if we take $20 divided by $80, then we get 0.25. So the markup must be 25% in order to earn a 20% profit margin. So we'll need to multiply our cost per each exam type by 1.25. 100% for the cost and 25% for the markup. So now we just simply take that 1.25 and multiply it for Level 1 by the 96.15. That gives us $120.19. For Level 2, We multiply it by $192.31 for $240.39, and for level 3 we multiply the 1.25 by $288.46, which gives us $360.58. So these are what the costs for each exam type need to be if we expect to earn a 20% profit margin. I hope this explanation has helped.